breakdown, baby.
Hey, I'm Jimmy Reynolds. I work and ride for Empire Cycle Supply, and this is my Federal Hamilton. I like riding really short bikes, and specifically bikes with really short back ends. I used to ride a 20, but I've moved up to a 20.5 to see if I can get a bit more trail style. I don't think it's working. I know it's not fashionable to run brakes these days, but I run a gyro. I like doing lots of tail whoops, and I hate undoing my bars. I love these wheels. I've been riding these 7K rims for ages. I can't see myself riding anything else. I just built up a Federal free coaster, so we're going to see what happens now with that. I like my bike really light. I've been riding a lot of parkway mediums and real tech stuff. The setup is working real good.